On Canva, go to Create a Design. You've got a couple choices here. If you are in the education one, then you can go straight down to Zoom Virtual Background. If you don't have that, then you can go to Custom Size. And we're going to put that one in as pixels, and we're going to make it the same size. So it's 1280 by 720. Create new design. Click on Elements, type in Halloween, and find an interesting background. You're going to create a unique artwork, so you're just looking for something fairly simple to put in the background. If you typed in a search, delete it and click back on Elements. Then scroll down to Frames and click See All. These frames are going to give you interesting shapes to make a unique design. Try overlapping some of your shapes and changing the sizes. Now go back to your elements and type in something that you think represents Halloween. For here, I've done spiders. When the image drops in, drag it over your shape. Then try adding other things into your shapes. What else is Halloween? Maybe witches? Ghosts? You could also do your own drawings and art and put it in. We can drag them in. Oh, I like the cauldron. That could be really nice in the background there. Make that really big. And you can change the colors. I like the color there, but just click on the gray square and you can change the colors if you want to. Now it's time to add a joke. So Google search Halloween jokes for kids. Find a joke you really like. Command C. Click the text tool. Add a subheading and Command V. Then shape it, size it where you want it to go. Make sure it's not too close to the edge. Think about your alignment with the font. If your background is nice and clear like my sample is, you can have just the font as long as we can see it. But if it isn't, go back to Elements, scroll down to Shapes, and find a shape like a rectangle or a square. So this is a shape, not a frame. Fill it with a color that suits your background image, and then change the color of the font so that we can see it. Since it's a joke on Zoom, we want to be able to read it. And now we can download. PNG is fine to download, or JPEG, okay? And we want it to be an image, and that is what you're going to upload into Zoom on Friday. Enjoy!